Hello, this is Chaslin from the Upper Skagit Library, and it's Tech Tip Tuesday. I'm going to show you how to use the chat feature on our website. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to upperskagitlibrary.org, press enter on our internet browser. We're going to see the alert, and that's going to tell us all kinds of information about our COVID-19 response. We're going to close that for right now. And in the bottom right corner, we've got this green talk bubble, a waving hand, and the words, "We are here." And that is our chat feature. It's new to our website. We're going to click on it, and up pops an online chat. We are live and ready to chat with you now. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to say, "Hi, I where to spell it right, want to place a hold, please," and press enter. And what's happening on the other end is either usually Lolly, our amazing assistant director, is going to respond. And now you can see that she's typing there. She says, "Hello, sure, how can I help you? I want to place Children of Blood and Bone on hold." And so what Lolly will do at that point is she'll go to my account. I'll give her my last name and my first name or my library card number, and then she'll place Children of Blood and Bone on hold for me. But say I already have what I want on hold, and I'm here in the parking lot, and I don't want to call. I want to just use the chat feature of the website through my phone to let Lolly know that I'm here ready to pick up my books. So I'm going to close that. And then I'm going to open it back up again. Oh, and actually it does bring back the original chat. We're going to disregard that. So what I'm going to do instead is going to say, "Hi, I'm here," whoops, we're going to spell it right, "here to pick up my holds." And then Lolly is going to type back to me. And she's going to ask my name or my library card number. I'm going to give them to her. She's going to check out my materials and walk them right out to my car to be put in the back seat or the trunk. And it's as simple as that. You can use the chat feature for all kinds of information questions, curbside pickups, holds, things like that. So that's just one of the many ways that you can get a hold of us here at the Upper Skagit Library so that we can assist you. Hope everyone's doing well. Thank you so much. We'll see you soon.